Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. 2 large bags. Alright, what's up everybody? It is grocery haul day. As you can see, I got 2 full bags here from Superstore today. I'm gonna be going over what I bought and showing you guys, I guess, the options that I go with when I go to the grocery shop for the healthiest diet plan that I'm on right now. Alright, so let's dive in. Put these guys over here. First up, you've got peppers. You got kiwis. It's a almond and cashew mix blend with still 8 grams of protein. The Eggos, thick and fluffy cinnamon brown sugar, Belgian style. If you've had those ones, you know how amazing they are. More so of like a treat, but honestly, I love them. So I grabbed some extra ched. We got the Tex-Mex blend, a Caesar kit because I like to cook my own chicken at home, and it's the easiest thing just to throw in there, your own homemade chicken Caesar. Yeah, super simple, and that is one of the quickest go-tos. 3-pack, or I guess a 12 Greek yogurts here. I got two of banana and 1 of the vanilla chai latte. Yeah, I'm a big advocate for a Greek yogurt as opposed to the regular stuff. More protein, can't go wrong. Second bag, let's go. We've got eggs. I don't know if you can read that or not, but we got eggs. I've got 2 cartons of eggs. They are the Country Golden Yolks. They are free range, grain-fed eggs, grain-fed chickens. Higher quality eggs here, guys. They go a long way. Highly suggest it. All right, next up we got cashews. I'm running out of my other ones, and I just like to have them around just in case to snack on every now and then. Got bananas. Berries. Big fan of berries. Blackberries more specifically for today. I like to grab always some kind of berry when I'm there. Today again the choice was blackberries, so yeah. Oh, I did buy more. Okay, I actually bought more. I bought some lime Greek yogurt too because I'm an absolute Greek yogurt fiend. Apples, more specifically ambrosia apples, the crispiest of them all. I needed it's margarine. I know lots of people don't use margarine anymore. They use butter or something else. But this is the made with the olive oil. It's made with olive oil, non-hydrogenated, which is a very important factor. Trans fat free and added vitamins A and D. I'm looking for alternatives, but right now, again, still using margarine these days to cook and for sandwiches and stuff like that. But that's what I get. And I got 3 bags of hash browns. I like to fry hash browns up when I ever make breakfast food, which is pretty much every day. So I burn through these guys, and again, I'll usually throw hash browns as like a base layer. I'll throw cheese on top, and then add the scrambled eggs on top, and just make it into one big kind of breakfast casserole, which I'll probably make a video of the whole process of that if you guys would like. And yeah, and I do have an espresso, but I've been really digging cold brew lately. So I got a medium roast and a blonde roast. It is the Starbucks brand iced coffee that I like to have in the mornings here. So I got the option of going with an espresso or the coffee here. When you're waking up early to build the YouTube channel, I mean, yeah, you gotta refuel, right? You gotta make sure you're motivated and caffeinated. Empty bags, all done. And yeah, let's get you guys a close-up. This was the grocery shop for today. Again, just to give the close-up here, that's the PC Blue Menu margarine. There, we've got the free-range, grain-fed eggs there. There's the tower of the Greek yogurt. The key factor of this, it is the unsweetened vanilla flavored, so you still get the 8 grams of protein, all the other benefits of milk, but Again, the key factor here, only 90 calories, 8 grams of protein, and 0 sugar. So it tastes amazing and not so bad for you as well, to especially throw some more protein in the diet there. We've got the peppers, the kiwis, the blackberries, if I can focus on that one, blackberries, thick and fluffy Eggos. There's the iced coffee, the cashews, bananas, the good old hash browns there, and a Caesar kit, apples, and Tex-Mex cheddar. So, and the reason why I actually get these hash browns is because if you look on the back, the ingredients pretty much is just like straight potatoes and some sodium and sugar there. But a lot of times when you get these things, they've got a ton of other stuff added to them. Those are the simplest ones that you can get. So that's why I chose those ones. So again, we got fruits, we got veggies, we got eggs, we got dairy. This is, again, probably one of the more standard shops that I do. But obviously I will update other times as to other things that I do get as well. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the quick grocery shop. Again, I will do a lot more of these in the future here. If you guys enjoyed the video, give her a thumbs up. For more content like this, let me know if you guys do enjoy these kinds of shopping vids. I'll see all of you guys in the next vid. Until then, take care.